Okay, so for another task, so this is by sending message for those who celebrate their birthdays or anniversaries. So here's a simple script. Hey, name, I'm sure you'll get lots of this today, but you can't have too many well wishes. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Happy birthday. So you can also tweak your message, your birthday message, or message for those who celebrate their anniversaries. So why this works? It builds rapport and it keeps you visible. So one thing is it will open the door for future conversation and it shows that you genuinely care. So here's the message that I've sent to Robert celebrating his birthday. So, hey Robert, I'm sure you'll get lots of this today, but you can't have too many well wishes. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Happy birthday. So, this is also one of the ways on how you engage your prospect, may it be in Facebook or LinkedIn. Actually, you can see here those who celebrate their birthday inside the notifications. Okay. For example, this one. Say congrats. Okay. So that is also one way of engaging to your prospect aside from sending birthday or anniversary message. Okay. So it's simple. It will keep you being visible online and to continually engage to your prospect. For LinkedIn, and you can also use this one in Facebook. Okay, so that's it. Very simple.